Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your marketing insights with Kissmetrics step by step clearly. To protect your marketing insights with Kissmetrics, start by logging into your Kissmetrics account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you can see your current metrics. Focus on the Settings tab located in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Click on the Settings tab to access your account preferences. Next, look for the data protection options available within the Settings menu. Activate two-factor authentication for an added layer of security. This will require you to verify your identity through a secondary device whenever you log in. After enabling two-factor authentication, review the user permissions for your team. Ensure that access is granted only to those who need it, limiting potential data exposure. Consider setting up automated backups for your marketing insights. Schedule regular backups to protect your data from potential loss. Next, familiarize yourself with Kissmetrics data privacy policies. Understand how your data is collected, stored, and used within the platform. As you continue, explore the integration options available through Kissmetrics. Check for third-party tools that can enhance your data security. Always keep your software and integrations up to date to avoid vulnerabilities. Finally, regularly review and audit your marketing data for any changes or discrepancies. Establish a routine for checking user access and permissions at least quarterly. By following these steps, you can effectively protect your marketing insights with Kissmetrics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.